I have been an advisor to Huobi for a while, and I have followed the evolution of the blockchain. And I will tell you, I'm very excited about certain things. So there's certain coins out there that have done very well. And there are other ones like Polkadot and other things coming up that are really interesting. Everybody's talking about Cardano right now, but Cardano, huge amount of hype. It has a huge valuation, but it actually doesn't have a big developer community. It's not actually a lot of people aren't really using it. It remains to be seen. It's all promise. So there's the coins, and people can play in that. But what I am even more interested in is the infrastructure plays, because I think these have long-term benefits. And when I'm talking about infrastructure, I'm talking about the on-ramps and off-ramps to crypto. Because if you look at the trend right now, first of all, one of these was Coinbase, right? So the wallets I always thought were great. Huobi, Coinbase, all of these, because literally they don't care if the coins go up or down. As long as people are trading, they're making money, right? So they're making money no matter what, because they're making money on every trade. So those marketplaces, and especially because they have the network effect, really amazing. But now institutions, a lot of big institutions, JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs, all the banks, Deutsche Bank, Nomura, all these big banks around the world are going to be integrating with crypto. If you're one of the providers of those, and you're providing software, you will benefit off the growth of crypto. You will literally, some of these companies are going to become huge unicorns. And I look at these infrastructure companies, look at the companies selling the picks and shovels out there to corporate investors who want to participate in this, to the institutions, but also to the retailer investors, the consumers who are out there buying cryptocurrency. There are different tools out there that allow you to analyze cryptocurrency, that allow you to manage your portfolios, there are AI bots out there that will trade for you and automated trading like 3 Commas and others. These are really interesting plays. And it's a really interesting time. If I'm getting into the space, I'm going to be looking at all of these. The platforms out there like OpenSea and others for trading NFTs. Really interesting. The companies out there like Dappler Labs that created, NBA Top Shot and CryptoKitties. These type of players are moving and experimenting and innovating and opening up new realms in crypto, and they will continue to do so. And so don't just look at at everything that's being tokenized. Actually just look at these companies out there. Very exciting. And if they're really creating value within the ecosystem, within the crypto ecosystem, and even more importantly, taking the crypto ecosystem and wedding it to other ecosystems, traditional industries, that is where the huge amount of untapped value lies. And actually the risk level of those investments is much lower. So the risk level of buying the next hot token, the next altcoin, really high. Like the reward is really high, the risk is really high. But the risk level of buying these other ones is substantially lower, and the reward can still be extremely high. So as we saw with the Coinbase IPO, the biggest IPO the world has ever known, it can be extremely high. And I tell you, as an angel investor, as a venture capitalist, look at these. How can you participate in these? How can you get in early? I hope you enjoyed the talk. If you liked it, you can come to founderspace.com. You can check out our latest events, contact us, and see my latest books, Make Elephants Fly, Surviving a Startup, and The 5 Forces. You can also find me on all the major social networks. Just search for Founderspace.